Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim your YouTube Official Artist Channel using DistroKid. Now, log in to your DistroKid account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Features menu in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Special Access, then choose YouTube Official Artist Channel. If you manage more than one artist, select the artist you want to claim from the drop-down menu. Next, DistroKid will ask you to sign in to your YouTube account. Make sure you log in with the Google account that manages your artist's YouTube channel. After signing in, you'll see the available YouTube channels. Select the correct personal channel that belongs to your artist. Double-check your selection to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click the button that says yes, please claim this channel. DistroKid will then send your request to YouTube for review. The approval process may take a few days, so be patient while YouTube reviews your request. Once it's approved, your personal channel will be upgraded to an official artist channel, bringing your music releases and artist content together in one place. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.